In this lesson, we explore more than 100 useful English words that start with the letter C. The vocabulary covers everyday topics such as the body, food and cooking, nature and animals, and basic geography. The focus is on clear meanings, typical usage, and practical examples. Cheek, the side of the face below the eye. She kissed her son on the cheek. Cheekbone, the bone under the eye. Her cheekbones are very high. Chin, the part of the face below the mouth and above the neck. He rested his chin on his hand while thinking, "Chin up! Everything will be fine." Collarbone, the bone between the neck and shoulder. He broke his collarbone in a fall. Camel, a large desert animal with humps. The camel carried supplies across the desert. A camel has humps on its back where it stores fat, which helps it survive long journeys in the desert without drinking water. A dromedary is a type of camel with one hump, while other camels have two. Crocodile, a large reptile that lives in rivers and swamps. A crocodile lay near the riverbank. Carp, a large freshwater fish. They caught a carp in the lake. There's a large carp swimming in the pond. Cow, a large farm animal kept for milk or meat. The cow is grazing in the field. Dairy cows are milked every day. Calf, a young cow or young of some large animals. The farmer fed the calf early in the morning. Cattle, farm animals such as cows and bulls. The farmer has a herd of cattle on his ranch. Colt, a young male horse. The colt ran in the field. The colt was galloping through the pasture. Cub, the young of an animal like a lion or bear. The lioness protected her cub. Cat, a small domestic animal kept as a pet. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Big cat, a large wild cat like a lion or tiger. Lions are big cats. Cheetah, a large wild cat known for its speed. The cheetah runs faster than any other land animal. Chimpanzee, a large intelligent ape. Chimpanzees live in social groups. Crow, a large black bird. There are several crows in the garden. Cuckoo. The cuckoo is known for laying its eggs in the nests of other birds, leaving them to raise its chicks. A cuckoo clock is a traditional clock, usually from Germany, that has a small bird which comes out and makes a cuckoo sound to tell the time. Chicken, a farm bird kept for eggs. The chicken is pecking in the yard. Cock, an adult male chicken. The cock crowed at dawn. In modern English, rooster is the preferred and neutral word for a male chicken, while cock is more traditional but often avoided in everyday use because it has another informal meaning. Crest, birds, a tuft or comb of feathers on the top of a bird's head, often used for display or communication. The cockatoo raised its crest when it was excited. Cockatoo, a large parrot with a curved beak and a movable crest on its head. We saw a cockatoo at the zoo. Cork, a light material from tree bark. He pulled the cork from the bottle. Use a corkscrew to open the wine bottle. He liked collecting wine corks from his best bottles. Cork tree, a tree that produces cork bark. Cork comes from the cork tree. Cedar, a type of evergreen tree with fragrant wood. The house was built from cedar wood. Cactus, a plant that grows in dry areas and stores water. A cactus can survive long without water. Clover, a small plant with 3 leaves. She picked a 4-leaf clover. Coral, a hard substance formed by sea animals. The reef is made of coral. Cobweb, a spider's web covered with dust. There's a cobweb in the corner of the ceiling. Caterpillar, the larva of a butterfly or moth. The caterpillar ate the leaf. Cockroach, a large insect often found in houses. A cockroach ran across the kitchen. Centipede, a small animal with many legs. A centipede crawled across the floor. Caper, a small edible flower bud. Capers are used in salads. Carrot, an orange root vegetable. She chopped a carrot for the soup. Cauliflower, a white vegetable similar to broccoli. They roasted the cauliflower. Cabbage, a round green or purple vegetable with many leaves. She added cabbage to the soup. Celery, a long green vegetable. Celery is used in salads. Chestnut, a brown nut or tree. We roasted chestnuts over the fire. Coke, a brand of cola soft drink. He ordered a Diet Coke with his meal. Cider, an alcoholic drink made from apples. They drank apple cider. Champagne, a sparkling wine from France. They celebrated with champagne. Cognac, a type of French brandy. He drank a glass of cognac after dinner. Cinnamon, a spice from tree bark. She sprinkled cinnamon on her coffee. Add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to the cake batter. Curry, a spicy dish with sauce and spices. We ordered a chicken curry. Clove, spice. Ground clove is used in baking. In the past, cloves, the spice, were extremely valuable and were one of the main reasons for great exploration voyages. European explorers like Magellan sailed in search of spices such as cloves, which were rare, expensive, and highly prized in Europe. Cloves came mainly from the Spice Islands, the Moluccas, and controlling their trade meant great wealth and power. Clove of garlic. One segment of a garlic bulb. Add a clove of garlic to the sauce. Coriander, a herb or spice from seeds or leaves. Fresh coriander leaves add a nice touch to salads. I chopped some cilantro for the salsa. Clam, a shellfish that lives in sand. Clams were served with pasta. Crab, a sea animal with a hard shell and claws. We ate fresh crab by the sea. Claw, a sharp curved nail of an animal or bird. The crab has strong claws. Cockle, a small edible shellfish. Cockles are popular in seafood dishes. Cod, a type of whitefish. They cooked baked cod. Cod is a popular fish in fish and chips. Cod liver oil. Oil made from codfish livers, used as a supplement. She takes cod liver oil daily. Caviar. Fish eggs eaten as a luxury food. Caviar is served at special events. Cocoa. Powder made from cocoa beans. She made hot cocoa. I enjoy drinking hot cocoa on cold days. Chocolate. A sweet food made from cocoa. She bought dark chocolate. Coconut. A large tropical fruit. He cracked open the coconut to drink its water. Pine cone. The hard seed container of a pine tree. The children collected pine cones. Crop. Plants grown on a farm, or the amount produced. This year's wheat crop is excellent. Farmers work hard during the harvest. Citrus fruit. A fruit like an orange or lemon with a sour taste. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Cereal. Grain used as food or a breakfast food made from grains. I eat cereal every morning. Corn. A tall plant that produces yellow grains used as food. Corn is widely grown in this region. We grilled a corn cob for dinner. Cornflakes. A breakfast cereal made from corn. He eats cornflakes with milk. Coffee. A hot drink made from roasted coffee beans. I drink coffee every morning. Cake. A sweet baked food made with flour and sugar. She baked a chocolate cake for the party. Cream. A thick dairy product from milk. She added cream to her coffee. She topped the dessert with whipped cream. Candy. Sweet food made with sugar. Children love eating candy. Cotton candy. A sweet, fluffy candy made from sugar. We bought cotton candy at the fair. Cheese. A food made from milk. This cheese is made from goat's milk. We ordered a cheese board with a variety of cheeses and crackers. Sprinkle some grated cheese on top of the pasta. Courgette. A long green vegetable. I sliced the courgette to make a stir-fry. The choice between courgette and zucchini depends on the variety of English being used. Courgette is commonly used in British English, while zucchini is the preferred term in American English. Cucumber. A long green vegetable. I added cucumber slices to the salad. Crumb. A small piece of bread or cake. There's a crumb of bread on the table. Cherry. A small round red fruit. She put a cherry on the cake. In English, the expression "the cherry on top" is used just like in Spanish, la guinda del pastel. It refers to something that completes a situation in a perfect or extra special way, usually something positive. It can be used literally for desserts or figuratively for any good event or achievement. Winning the award was the cherry on top of a great year. Cranberry. A small red berry. Cranberries are often used in holiday sauces. Currant. A small dried or fresh berry. She baked a cake with currants. Culinary. Related to cooking or the preparation of food. She studied culinary arts at school. Chef. A professional cook who prepares food in a restaurant. The chef prepared a special menu. Cook. A person who prepares food or the act of preparing food. He learned to cook Italian food. He works as a cook in a small family restaurant. Cuisine. A style of cooking. Italian cuisine is famous for its pasta dishes. Course. Food. One part of a meal served at a specific time. The main course was pasta. Canteen. A place where food is served in a school, factory, or army. Students eat lunch in the canteen. Calorie. A unit that measures energy in food. This snack is high in calories. Carbohydrate. A type of nutrient found in foods like bread and rice. Pasta is rich in carbohydrates. Cape. A piece of land jutting into the sea or a cloak. The ship sailed around the rocky cape. Cove. A small sheltered bay. The boat anchored in a cove. The small cove was perfect for quiet swimming. Cyclone. A strong tropical storm with violent winds. The cyclone caused severe damage. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring English one word at a time.